Why do you use Adwerx?
Well, the reason why I use it is a couple reasons. Is number one, I look at my business as like a pie, and there's different sections of my business. Like I use the Ninja program, I do pop buys, I do handwritten notes and things of that nature. And I just feel like Adwerx is just another layer of helping me continue keeping my business strong. I rarely have anyone ever say, oh, I love that listing or I love that ad when I do a Facebook post. But when I use using Adwerx, that's the one that always seems to organically come up more for people. Clearly they have a very good algorithm, so it definitely, every realtor knows, no one wakes up and says, I'm gonna sell my house today, who should I call? No, it's an ongoing, constant, soft touches with your clients. And this is just another way of a soft touch.